Okay, hey y'all, I just got my stuff in, and this is my first video starting my press on journey to becoming that girl. Yeah, on that press on tip. So I just want to document my journey and just as I buy things, show y'all, what I'm buying and, my process, basically, my journey. So I got some packages today. And I went to Dollar Tree because I found like so many like nail hacks on Dollar Tree, in Dollar Tree from TikTok. So yeah. So we're gonna start at Dollar Tree. I got some glitter. Yeah, we're gonna get into those. Got little Christmas colors going. I got some double-sided tape for my organizer I'm gonna order. This is storage box for some gems. I'm gonna put in there. I got a little dotting tool. I meant to pick up 2 of these, but I only got one. Like one for acetone and then the other one for alcohol. So I'll just go grab another one another day. And then I found these were so freaking pretty. And I was like, oh, I can definitely use these as designs. I just have to cut them. And that's the hack. Like 3 yards for $125. Come on now. You can't beat that. This could last a good long time. Especially when you want to like practice different designs and stuff. Yeah. And then I got another thing, of double-sided tape. So let's get into the Amazon packages. Okay, so for the Amazon packages, I ordered an electric nail drill because like since the press I've been wearing from like Shein and other places on Etsy, I just been using a file, a nail file and a buffer. But I was like, no, girl, it's time to, get the real thing. And this had good reviews on Amazon. Everything from Amazon, it will be linked. Well, these 2 things will be linked at the bottom of the video. But yeah. And this, I had been eyeing this for so freaking long. Amazon did. It came kind of damaged, but that's okay. I have been eyeing this for so freaking long. It's by Beetles and gel polish. And it's basically an all-in-one kit that has everything we need. So it comes with the gel lamp, the polishes, a few tools, nails. Let's just get into it. I was gonna wait, but I'm just so excited. Let's get into it. Okay, so it came with this little lamp manual. Yeah, it can't be too hard. And then there's a starter kit for application guide. We're gonna be definitely reading this tonight. Let's see what's in it. Yeah, so it comes with 12 gel nail polishes, cuticle oil, oh good. Nail clipper, base, gloss, and matte top coat, nail strengthener. Oh, it already came with glitters. I did not know that. So we got colors on the glitter, period. Okay, so it actually comes with a lot. Nail glue, nail tips, a UV gel brush, cuticle pusher, file, sponge file, tweezers, nail brush for hands, rhinestones, a French tip guide, foil. I'm telling y'all, and I believe it was only like $45 from Amazon. And yeah, like my goal is to start selling, custom press-ons. And I already wear press-ons and I've always been a nail girl. So I just felt like, it's my time. So let's get into it. Okay, so I got a better angle so you can see everything that's coming out. So everything is like in its own little pre-package. And that's so dope, So we have rhinestones. Those are gorge. Okay. Oh, this is the foil glitter. Definitely getting used for the holidays. I'm getting used tomorrow, actually. More rhinestones. I guess this is the foil. I meant the French tip guy. I don't know. I love French tips. I'm definitely, that's going to be the first design I'll probably try, honestly. Look at the glitters. Gorge. Look at that. Yeah, that's cute. And then, oh, the UV gel brush by Beetles, period. Shout out to them. And then some tweezers. Oh, baby, these got some weight to it. Okay. So this was in the first package. Oh, this is like the files and the brushes and the buffers. Okay, the separators. Nail file and nail buffer, period. Okay. Oh, the cuticle pusher. This cuticle pusher does not look new. So this might be getting thrown away. Not even gonna lie. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, brush, nail file. Yeah, why is it dust on here? Like, this is the cuticle pusher. What the? This looks used as well. What is going on? Amazon, the review, baby, y'all gonna be mad at me. But you know what? We gonna keep going. We're not gonna let it deter us because guess what? We can always order those individual or run to the store to get those. Okay, and then we have the it girl herself, the UV lamp. Whoa. Whoa. There we go. And it has 30, 60, 120, and then the on and off button. Yeah, it's cute and lightweight. And there's the adapter, of course, because how else are we gonna, oh. Okay, nails and the nail glue. And then the shape I got was the coffin. I want to say between the medium and the long coffin. I don't quite remember, but it'll be linked below. And these are all the sizes. So yeah. So I'm definitely going to upload this soon. So y'all, please let me describe some designs you may want to see. Oh, and then these are, oh, the bottles are dumb little. So this is the nail strengthener hardener. Okay, I think I opened it upside down, but it's okay. The matte top coat. Okay, so those are that. I want to get into these colors because that was the hardest thing with me, like deciding which set to order was the colors. Because there's different color sets. It comes like with the tools and things are the same, but the colors are what's different. And being that like the season that we're in, which is like fall, I was like, I don't want, you know, summer colors. I do want, oh, this is the cuticle oil tea. Yeah. I was like, I don't want, you know, no bright behind neon orange. I want to, you know, if it's going to be orange, baby, I need to be a little bit darker. So let's get into the colors. Oh, this is so freaking cute. Okay, so let me show you. I think this was perfect to go with fall. I'll definitely order more colors, of course. But I think just to start with for fall, you know, the pinks and the nudes and the, you know, got a little white right here. I thought these were perfect. And I'm definitely going to do swatches of these. I have to order a little nail thing and do the swatches. But yeah. So yeah, it comes with 12 colors. These little bottles. I think they're really cute. And I think this is a really good starter kit for anyone that wants to get into, you know, just making their own nails or in the press-on business in general. Like myself. I didn't know these colors are so pretty. So yeah, it's not too big. Let me see. So this is a 1F8. Oh, that's pretty. I can't wait. So I'm currently compiling all of my designs that I want to start practicing on between this week and this weekend. So I'm definitely going to do that. And then the next video will be me recording that and showing you guys my first design and how it came out, you know, what I attempted to do and what gave, you know, what actually happened. So yeah, we're gonna get into that, and I think it'll be fun, and I just think documenting this will make it, you know, even better once I get like really raw at nails. Because one thing about me, baby, once I learn one thing, I'm gonna keep learning. I did it with hair. I do it with like literally anything. Once I learn one thing, I'm gonna learn everything about it, so I can just become raw at it. Like, I can't help it. So yeah. Oh, I did get these cotton rounds too. But yeah. So next video, I will definitely be back showing you the nail design we're going to do, and we're going to follow along with how we do it, and we're just going to talk. So yeah, drop some topics y'all want to talk about, anything y'all want to get into. Did I open this electric nail drill? No. So let's open it. It's a portable nail drill. I just bought black. You know, that's my favorite color. But yeah, this is the nail drill. Really, you know, it's not heavy, but it has a little weight to it, but it's not heavy. And then these are the different drills and the beads. Oh, this comes with nail brush too. Okay, cute. Period. Come on for the orange. And then the adapter, of course, and then just more sand beads. So yeah, we gonna get into it. We gonna have good old discussions as y'all follow along with me, become that raw nail tech, press on tech. Period. What's the verbiage? Because whatever it is, baby, that's me. So yeah. Thank you all. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch y'all in the next video. May y'all be blessed.